Well, hey family, this is Darlene. Wanted to thank you for stopping by the Jury by BDK YouTube channel. I know you didn't come here for a sermon. So here's the video and we'll talk.
Well, hey family, this is Darlene. I sat here and I started messing around with this aluminum wire. So I didn't record myself making the bracelet because I didn't know what I was doing. I ended up though making a really nice little bracelet with the aluminum wire and the bead caps. And I am going to make another one on camera. So I really do like the way it came out with the wire, 15 gauge aluminum wire being the focal point of the bracelet. Let me see if I can put another bracelet on. I really like the way it looks. All the beads. My thing is I'm really pleased with this little part right here, how it came out. Because I had no idea what it was going to look like, if it was going to come out right or what. But it did. Came out real nice. Came out really, really good. So I am going to make a couple more of these. I got a lot of the silver bead caps. I do got a couple more of the gold bead caps. I think I'm gonna have to order some more. And I think this will look even pretty too if I double the caps. Like maybe put one silver, one gold, and then do the aluminum wire filling right there. But I really like the way this looks. But anyway, I will come back with another video showing how I did this part. Okay, Darling Knight for Jerry by BDK, and we'll talk.